Hi, happy Saturday, everybody. So, I have my balloon right here that I'm about to blow up. I have my salt, and I have my pepper, and right here I have my plate that I'm gonna place my pepper and my salt on. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of just tilt this so you can see what I'm doing. Right here, sorry, can't really see my face, but so I'm going to take my salt and I'm going to just kind of smear it all around the plate here. I'm going to take my pepper and I'm going to just put the pepper all over too. I'm going to kind of mix it. Make sure I have a good mixture right here. I'm going to add some more salt. So it's a good even right here. Kind of see right there. So my salt, my pepper, maybe add a little bit more pepper. There. Oh crap, here we go. There we go. And I'm going to take my balloon. I'm going to get down. Take my balloon here, and I'm just going to blow it up. Okay, got my balloon. Tie it off. Take it, and I'm going to just rub. It's going to make my hair all sorts of crazy. I will no longer be camera ready. Okay. Oh! Forgot where. Okay, so now I'm going to just bring this closer. We're going to see what happens. Okay. Okay. Can definitely hear some static going on. The farther. Oh yeah. Okay, I don't know if you can see this. The balloon definitely picked up. I would say it's a lot more pepper than salt. There is some salt, but majority of it, oh yeah. There is a little bit of salt, but if you can see this, majority of it, the balloon picked up pepper. Definitely a ton more pepper than salt. It's pretty cool. I've never tried this before, so maybe do this side of my head too. See if it picks up anything. You see? It's a ton more pepper than salt. Way more pepper. The farther, if I hold it farther away, it picks up a lot more pepper. But the closer I put it, it picks up a good, well, still more pepper, but it is also picking up the salt, but not as much as it is pepper. And quite a bit of pepper right there. Do you see? Okay, I made a giant mess. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and move that out of the way now. Okay, go ahead and sit down here. Let's talk about this. Hello, everybody. Okay, so that was pretty cool. I've never done an experiment like that with a balloon before, but so from what I have read and based off the experiment, rubbing a balloon on your head, it will give the balloon a negative charge, and it does this because everything is made up of atoms, electrons, neutrons, and protons. When an atom loses electrons, it results in a negative or a positive charge. When we rub our head with the balloon, or we rub our balloon on our head, some of the free electrons jump onto the balloon, and this creates a negative charge. While the pepper is neutrally charged, it is now attracted to the balloon. Now, when an object is rubbed against another object, its surface now becomes, I guess the surface, it becomes charged. I'm not sure if it's a negative or a positive charge, but it does become charged. That charge attracts either a positive or a neutrally positive, positive charge surface. So yeah, it attracts another. It's basically like opposites attract, right? So this charge from the balloon is basically called static electricity. The static force attracts its opposite. So whether the balloon becomes it's going to become negatively charged, but whenever there are two objects that are rubbed together, their surface either becomes negative or positively charged, and then that charge will attract whatever its opposite is. Now, the pepper seemed to definitely cling onto the balloon more than the salt, and I would think that this is because that the salt is heavier than the pepper, so the pepper is actually a lot lighter than the salt. That's kind of what I think. But yeah, it was a cool little experiment. Yeah, and definitely pepper is in favor over salt for this. Thanks, guys.